Today I'm going to teach you how to download and install Jar.io diagrams for Windows. This is a powerful diagramming tool that's completely free and perfect for creating flowcharts, network diagrams, and organizational charts right on your desktop. Let's walk through the installation process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to jar.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the main homepage with various options for using the tool. Look for the download button, which should be prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it to proceed with getting the desktop version. After clicking the download button, you'll be redirected to GitHub, where the official installer files are hosted. GitHub is a popular platform for hosting open source software, and this is where Jar.io makes all their installation files available for different operating systems. Don't worry if you're not familiar with GitHub, we're just here to grab the installer. On the GitHub page, you'll see several download options for different platforms. Since we're installing on Windows, look for the option labeled Windows Installer and click on it. This will immediately start downloading the installation file to your computer. The file is relatively small, but depending on your internet connection speed, it might take a moment to complete. Just be patient and let it finish downloading completely before moving on. Once the download is complete, it's time to locate the installer file. Open your file browser, which you can do by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or pressing the Windows key plus E. Navigate to your Downloads folder where the installer should be waiting. You'll recognize it by its jar.io branding in the file name. Click on the installer file to launch the setup process. A window will appear asking you to choose where you want to install the program. You can either stick with the default destination folder or select a different location if you prefer. Most users will want to keep the default location, which is typically in your program files directory. Once you've confirmed your destination folder, click the Install button to begin. The installation process will now start. You'll see a progress bar indicating how the installation is going. This usually takes just a minute or two, so sit tight while the program copies all necessary files to your computer and sets up the application properly. And that's it, you've successfully installed Jar.io diagrams on your Windows computer. You can now start creating professional diagrams and flowcharts whenever you need them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.